SLP coin holder, I think that is really great news for you my friends. To SLP price will starting pumping after a very huge dump. My friends, you can see here they will completely dumping down, but in last 12 hours you can see here many congratulations to price will starting increasing. Definitely my friend, this time you can see here SLP coin is completely on the trending in crypto market and Twitter. So therefore you can see here SLP price will also again starting pumping. But remember my best, this is temporarily fails. This does not mean to you are starting selling. And absolutely all holders you will need my friends to be active in this time, because from within the price absolutely there is also chances to they will again fails down. So therefore I cannot tell you they will permanently starting moving upward. There is also chance, I repeat my friends, so there is also chance to they will fails down. But for that you will need my friends to be active when they were fails down my friend. You will need, if they were my friend, you can see if they will lose, they will hit the point of resistance to definitely sell it. But if they will never fails down from resistance line, they will temporarily fails down. So this does not mean to you are starting selling. This information is very important for all of you. Please do this. I am 100% sure SLP coin holders, so you will get a profit. My friends, SLP price will increase. You can see 2.74 in last 4 hours. That's mean to urgently SLP price will again starting moving upward, wake up after a very long time. Otherwise in last 7 days, last 3 days, last 1 month, if we check out the last 1 month chart my friend, so in last 1 month my friend is the SLP price is decreasing minus 0.51%. oh my goodness, in last 1 month. So therefore I will inform you holders to please don't start in selling. Some holder ask me to what we will need to do in the same time. So my opinion is to please hold and wait for the end of month. I'm 100% sure the SLP price will be pumps up and give you a more profit at the end of month. So do this what I tell you. I am 100% give you guarantee my all viewers, my subscriber. You will get a very good profit and you will never lose. So see you next time SLP coin holders. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.